What questions should be considered? I am Kelly, an occupational therapist and essential oil specialist. Just hit that subscribe button and click the bell. You don't want to miss a new uploaded video, and stay tuned to the end for downloadable recipes. Well, one is, are my vitamins formulated using the latest scientific research? Do they have high quality ingredients? Are they backed with a commitment to purity, potency, and safety? Do they have listed plant-based extracts? Have I seen or felt maybe a positive change in your body since taking them? Are you sleeping better, less drowsy, less moody? So those are the key symptoms to kind of hone into. Maybe even less discomfort in your joints. If the answer to any of these questions is no, it might be a time to explore different options. doTERRA has a vitamin line which is supported by research, uses natural and the highest quality ingredients. They are vegan and they're bioavailable to your body. I'll link a video below into more detail about their vitamins. Now, if you're looking to change your health and up-level it, please click the link below to a class that I offer and my free downloaded recipes. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.